I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Oh my god!
My turn.
That was way too far.
My bad. Sorry.
I gotta go wash this off.
I had quinoa for lunch, so. I love you.